Welcome to the Keep It Plain Travel YouTube channel. I am Kisha, your independent travel advisor, here to make travel plain and simple for you. I will be sharing my travel experiences, hotel and resort reviews, travel tips and tricks and hacks, and all the things I feel will help you travel more simply. So make sure to subscribe, share the channel with your family and friends, and make sure to press like on those videos that you enjoy. So stay tuned, and if you see a video or a resort and you feel like you want to experience it, contact me with the information in the description and let's get you booked. So buckle up and get ready for the ride.